In the world of manufacturing, producing custom parts can be an interesting challenge. We all want to create unique and innovative components that look good and function well. More importantly, we want them to be affordable for our customers and profitable for our business. Having better understanding of what goes into the cost of machine part can help us improve our manufacturing and save money in the process. Hello there, my name's John. I'm from Xintianjuan Precision MFG. Welcome to another episode of our CNC machining series. Today we're going to talk about how to reduce the cost of our CNC machining. So, what really impacts the cost of a machine parts? There are a number of contributing factors when it comes to determining part prices. Some are available given the requirement of part, like size, material, machine features. But others can be changed or minimized to save time or money in the manufacturing process. The first factor is the size. This one is not a brainer. Bigger parts cost more. They require more material. They demand more robust work holding, which adds up to setup time at the machine. Operators might need to use more expensive tooling as machine components increase in scale. The second factor is the material. Material selection is very important when designing a part. Why it should be appealing to most that certain materials are more costly than the others. It is important to remember that certain material also machine differently as well. You could potentially save a few bucks going with one type of metal over another, but you might end up spending far more because of its difficulty to machine. Innovations in plastic and metals have opened up a wide range of possibility in manufacturing. So it is important to consult your production shop or material vendor to find the best solution for your needs. Sticking to standard hole sizes and material types, thickness can be big time money saver. The third factor is the machine types and operations. Our customers could be in the market for a simple 2D template. There are any number of ways to cut something like this out, like a laser, water jet, plasma, EDM, or etc. But each come with their own price tag. Knowing the difference between the machines and the associated operating costs can save or cost you more money when it comes time to manufacture. The four factors are part design and dimensioning. Part design often has a direct impact on machining time, which in turn affects the part price. The more features that need to be machined, the longer it takes. So when looking to cut costs, it's important to consider the necessity of the machine elements and whether certain aesthetic features can be removed to decrease machine operations. Dimensioning is also a key contributor to a part cost. In most cases, tighter tolerance will lead to increased part prices because it takes programmer operators additional time to machine, inspect and troubleshoot the discrepancy to ensure accuracy of precision in the part. Here are some tips for reducing machine part costs. Knowing what goes into part price can help us be more deliberate about our design choices, so that we can be confident we will feel good about the cost and the quality of our finished product. Here are a few more considerations to help save money on your machine parts. The first one is the tolerance and finish. Don't ask for tighter tolerance than is required for your part to function as intended. Time equals money, and tighter tolerance take longer to machine. They also take longer to inspect. This applies to surface finish quartz out as well. It can take significantly longer to achieve a design finish due to additional slower machining passes, and the inspection process requires added time and equipment, which up to the finished part prices. Part design. Every hole, pocket, service, chamber takes time to machine. An easy way to decrease manufacturing costs is to remove unnecessary or overly complicated part features, especially those that are solely aesthetics and do not enhance the part function. Deep holes, pockets, contour surface, and non-standard geometry are main culprits for increased costs as they require more time tooling to machine properly. Another cost-saving measure would be a break up a part into multiple components, think welding instead of band machine, or add bolt holes for assembly. This can decrease parts complexity, limit startups and machine operations, and ultimately save a lot of time and money. So we have summarized some factors might cause the increase of the machine parts. Also, we have a list a few tips how we can reduce it. This channel is all about CNC machining and prototyping. So please hit the like and subscribe buttons and also turn on the notification bell. So next time when we have a new video comes up, you will get a notification. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.